So a lot of times women will say, isn't it hard putting on a wig? How do you do that? And I'm gonna do a really quick version here, but we offer a great, more in-depth video that goes over all the little tiny details to get that just perfect fit. But this is really how easy it is. And my rule of thumb is that after 3 times, you're a pro. So this is a really, really easy thing to learn. So I'm gonna actually take mine off and I'm gonna show you that there's just kind of 3 basic steps that I think of. So first, rule number 1, we're gonna worry about the front hairline last. So we're just gonna think about, I call it kind of hooking our front hairline in the middle of our forehead, and we're not gonna worry about that being right away. All of our wigs have what I call tabs, which are kind of these stiff areas. We're gonna kind of feel around for those once we get it on our head to make sure they're in about the same position on our head, because it'll let us know if we're kind of in crooked. The last thing is I wanna think kind of about the middle of the back of the wig, coming to about right here, and that's it. And once I manage those, I'm gonna show you how quick this is. So I take the front hairline, I'm going to, like I said, hook it on my forehead. I'm gonna pull it back down. I'm gonna feel that back. Yep, that's about low enough. I'm gonna feel for those tabs and go, oh, I'm a little bit crooked, so I just adjust it to get them in about the right place. And then, voila, I can style it. And that styling includes adjusting the front hairline. And the one thing you can do with the wig that you can't do with your real hair is you can play with where your hairline is at, which can really make a really great different look for you. And so that's it. That's how simple it is. And I guarantee you 3 times and you're a pro.